Okay, next. North Central Power and Light has just purchased a generating unit that comes with a 2-year warranty. Once the warranty expires, repair costs are expected to average 3,500 per year. Find the effective annual cost for the repair cost over the 15-year life of generating unit. The interest rate is 7%. Okay. So pinapa-convert lang into an effective annual cost. So ganun ulit to. So kung titingnan natin yung cash flow, sa unang 2 taon, wala kang babayaran na tawag dito, repair cost, no? Wala. So dito pa lang mag-umpisa yung repair cost. 3. Okay, so dito pa lang mag-umpisa. Natig to 3.5. Okay? So ang gusto niya mangyari, yung mga yan, gusto niya malaman ano yung magiging effective annual interest rate. So ibig sabihin, gusto nating malaman what if mula nung umpisang taon pa nag-start yung kumbaga mula dito nag-start yung payment, no? So yan yon equivalent annual cost. So parang hinahanap natin A. Okay? So paano yon? So ang gagawin lang, kailangan yung total nito sa future ay same lang sa total nito sa future. Dapat same lang sila. Okay? So ano ba ang total nito sa future? That's 3.5 annuity, 1.07 raised to, o ilan? No, dito 13 lang, no? Kasi wala pa yung 2 taon eh. So 13 lang minus 1 over 0.07. Ito, equal saan? So equal siya sa A times 1.07 pero raised to 15 kasi kumbaga yung equivalent annual cost, no? Kumbaga ito yun, equivalent. Okay, ito yun, no? So minus 1 over 0.07. So equate lang natin yung dalawa and we should be able to calculate for A. So we have 3.5 times 1.07 raised to 13 minus 1. Tapos cross-multiply natin ng 0.07 over 0.07 times divide natin to. Or pwede na naman mag-shift solve kung gusto niyo. Okay, and that gives us 2,805.21. So the equivalent annual cost of this cash flow is 2,805.